Alright, what's up, you guys? As you can see, I'm looking pretty rough. I've been dealing with a gum and toothache. It's terrible, but today I got a part coming in, and I'm not gonna let this stop me from putting that part on that car. You hear me? So we're gonna go work on Baby Jane today. If y'all don't know who Baby Jane is, that's my Sonata. Yep, aka Lil Blue Script. That's who I get the money with. So I'm gonna go work on her today. We got the trunk latch coming in. We're gonna throw that thing on there. We're gonna be able to pop that trunk and get it back working, okay? Y'all stay tuned. Let's get into it. Good people, I am back. And if you're watching, I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. It'll help. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. It's basically a do-it-yourself. Open this thing up. Gonna get this thing started. Man, it should be quick. Get that out the way. Got the tools right here. I should have brought a knife out here. Cut this tape. Peel it on now. Take this off there. Get inside here. Make sure it is what it is. Yeah, it's looking like what I would need. Yeah. Okay, see that? Gonna go and hook this thing up, man, and it's gonna be crazy. Look, check this out. I'm finna have to crawl in the trunk, man, cause I can't get in. I had to leave my seat down, cause this is the only way I can get inside the trunk. So yeah, I'm finna flip the camera, man, and finna get the crawling in and get this zone out the way. Let's go. Okay. Oh shit. Oh. Crawling in the trunk, baby. Yeah, give me a second. Oh shit. I don't want to bend that up. See, it's so messed up, right? I had to bolt it back down like this from in here, cause that's the only way I could keep it closed. Man, but I'm glad to part here, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna unhook some of this stuff. This is the only way I can open it. Man, here. And it won't even open. I'm gonna have to take it apart to get it open. So let me get these tools together. Take these two bolts out. Once I take these bolts out, I should unhook it from the door, the trunk door. Open on. Let's get it. Room to work in a trunk. See? In the trunk and trying to hold the camera at the same time. This is what you call multitasking. Set that camera. Okay. Set it up. Oh, look like we about to escape. But I done hooked this part. We up out of here, baby. Can't see. Okay, here we go. Bam. Out of there. Freedom. This way come my slides. My slides. On the ground. That's right. It wasn't working this slide. Yeah, I can see we in there. Got it open. Gotta keep this part detached. It's locked down here. I think it's a way I can get it off. Definitely have to set this camera on. Yeah, I had to take these screws out. You just see this? They bolted in like that. So that's supposed to be. But I took them out. This thing basically is just trash, man. So I had to take the whole thing apart. Look, they came loose. So I can get down in there and pop this little block off of it. Still only got me a flat. Let's see if I can pop this baby. Probably can't do it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Came right on out then. Trash, man. It's trash. Just got some extra little screws and bolts, though. Might come in handy. You never know. I think I dropped one down here, so I don't know. There you go. Alright. Got this trash took off. I'm gonna bolt this new baby on. It shouldn't be that hard now that I ain't got to be inside the trunk and do it. So let's hook it up. Alright, I'm gonna start bolting this in. Shouldn't be that hard. Swap these at. Should be in there. I mean to take that out so soon. I don't know how that junk came in there. Let's see. Okay. This shit hard. I'll show you. And detach this part from here. What's up in there like that? You know, detach it. Pull it out through that. This will slid in right now. Went in right now. Take it out. I gotta unhook this part right here. So I'm gonna unhook this and get back to you. Like I got everything hooked up right. I hope so. There go in there. Plug this back up. Hopefully everything works. seat still down, just in case. Let's try it out, man. Move this out. Oh, you should. Oh, look at that. We got action, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, man. See what's going on, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, man, for some more DIYs, man. I got this shit. Your boy do this shit. You hit me, man. I'm on this shit. And just for some good measure, what I do with that key? I'm tripping, y'all. I ain't got my key on me. Oh, here we go. Let's see if it works with the key. Oh, look at that, like magic, baby. So yeah, man, for some more DIYs, man, y'all subscribe to my channel, man. I'm on here doing everything. Man, the story of my life, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm living this shit, man. Y'all come live it with your boy, man. I'm getting this shit done. All positive vibes, all productive things, you know. Shit, we gonna goddamn do it from the seed like Mr. Organic. Hey, you talking about? So, get rid of this trash. I can lift the seat back up. Put this, look, gotta put this part back on now. But we in there, baby. Slide this out the way. You know? And that's how you save some money. You know what I mean? I gotta bolt this part, all this back up to this counter and stuff, but that's nothing, man. You know, you can take it apart, you can put it back together. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you ain't gotta be rich to live good. You gotta know how to save some money, though, I tell you that. And this is one of them ways, man. So, yeah, I'm gonna subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put this back up. I'm gonna show y'all all that put back together, man. It's on. Let's do it. Hey, man, as y'all see, it's all put back together. Hold on, my camera 30. My bad. That's just the sun. Anyway, as y'all see, back together. Let me show y'all something. I like these little clamps right here. These little things. See how it close up like that. Let me take like a screwdriver. Let me show you. Real easy. Slide it in there. And it pop up. Versus them old ones that be breaking apart and shit. I don't like that. These right here, I like these. They came up with some. You just slide it in the hole. Like so. Put it in there like that. Put it down. No, it closes. And again, real simple. Take it apart. Versus you them old ones got to pry them out. This. Slide it in, pop right on that, you pull it on out. Real simple. Yeah, man, it's that new stuff. I like that. Anyways, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm about to wrap it up, man. As you can see, I got that thing done like I said I was gonna do. On to my next project, man. If y'all new to the channel, go subscribe. Go ahead and like. That'll help out with the algorithm, so it'll get out to more people whoever need it. It'll be good, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, enjoy. Hope y'all enjoy it. It is what it is, so got my trunk back, baby. Yeah. Checks up. Up and out on my checks at, man. Up and out. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way up. Finna splack on you, motherfucker, man. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Oh yeah, hell yeah.